Hi guys, this is our project connecting 4 by 4. My name is Laysan Sultanbekova,
And I'm Nicole Donnelly.
and we're freshmen, and I hope you enjoy our game. So first, just want to go over our code. It's kind of based off the New York Times Connections game. Yeah. So here, let me run it. Some problems include first setting up the VS Code so that like both of us were able to interact with it, so that the file and VS Code was as much on her computer as it was on mine, and we could both interact with it on our separate computers. And then installing Pygame and kind of aligning it with the functions and inserting the functions that Pygame uses into our VS Code. But then we solved that using YouTube tutorials and kind of looking at similar games that others created that kind of used similar functions as us. Then after getting started, we were confused as to how to insert these functions, but then again, we looked at these tutorials. And yeah, after figuring that out, it went pretty smoothly as we used the logic that we learned from class in addition to the new found functions that we found. And then some things we learned was how to draw and create a grid using Pygame as seen, how to insert text, how to assign a created category to correct by first assigning it as false and then making it true, and then correlating a color to make it correct. Yeah, and then I was surprised by how easy it was to make a click button or like create a button using Pygame because it's just one function called mouse button down. And yeah,
And then what we enjoyed about the game is definitely seeing the way that our code was able to work. And it took a long time to figure out, but it's definitely nice that it's running now and it's working great. And then in our original idea, we wanted to move the correctly selected categories to the top of the grid, but we weren't able to figure that out. So instead we just planned on adding how many tries the player has left. And then after they select the category incorrectly, it'll display that you lost, which will be shown in a second after the 4 tries were up.
yeah. So this is what would happen if you like select them incorrectly. You see the attempts going down, and then it displays sorry you lost. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our game.
Thank you.
Thank you.